Whether you're in the field, in the office, or supporting behind the scenes, your efforts make all the difference. This year has been filled with challenges and opportunities. We tackled complex jobs, navigated unexpected hurdles, celebrated big wins. What stood out the most to me is how we faced everything as a team with resilience, creativity, and the commitment to supporting one another. This holiday season is a time for reflection and gratitude. I'm truly thankful for the spirit of collaboration and camaraderie that defines our company. You're not only demonstrated exceptional skill, professionalism, but also shown kindness and respect towards one another, which creates a workplace that we can all be proud of.
So Sam, 10 years, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Claire, we're so proud of all that you have accomplished and are excited to see how you'll continue to grow in the future. Congratulations on your 5-year anniversary.
We get up and we put one foot in front of the other every day and just continue to do your best and learn and learn and learn. Service your customers and service your people.
Eight, 832-712. There we go.
There you go. Looking ahead to next year, I'm excited about the opportunities we have to continue growing, improving, and reaching new heights together. I have no doubt with the incredible team that we have, we'll be able to achieve this next year.